Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2016 model Honda City VX, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 47,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintain, plate ending 0, keyless entry, push button start, touch screen head unit, steering wheel control, econ mode, reverse camera, spare key fob, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 528,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 138,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. / 2019 model Mitsubishi Xpander GLX Plus, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 29,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, plate ending 2, touchscreen display, cruise control, reverse camera, SRS airbag, with spare key, owner's manual and booklet, all stock, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 698,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 167,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. / 2016 model Ford Everest Trend, 2.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 32,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, plate ending 8, infotainment system, cruise control, leather seats, reverse sensors, with spare key, owner's manual and booklet, all stock, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 788,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 198,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. / 2015 model Honda HRV, EL, 1.8-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 57,000 kilometers mileage, well-maintained, ending plate 9, daytime running light, push start, leather seats, touchscreen display, cruise control, reverse camera and sensors, all stock, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 588,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 95,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2020 model Toyota Rush G), top of the line, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 58,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, 7-seater, plate ending 8, side visors, push start, touchscreen monitors, reverse sensors and camera, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 758,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 94,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2019 model Toyota Corolla Altis V), 1.6-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 69,000 kilometers mileage with service records, first owner, well-maintained, pristine condition, plate ending 0, push start, touchscreen monitors, dash camera, SRS airbag, retractable side mirror, upgraded mags, reverse sensor and camera, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 678,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 83,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.